In this video, I'm about to show you how to easily cancel a Hellotalk subscription. First, open the Hellotalk app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your settings. Once the app is open, tap on Me, located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on Help. This section provides assistance for different issues you might encounter while using the app. In the Help section, tap on Feedback to submit your cancellation request. This is where you can communicate your needs to the support team. Then select the category as Payment Issue. This will help categorize your request correctly for the support team. Next, under the option for where the issue occurs, choose Refunds and Subscriptions. This indicates that your request pertains specifically to your subscription. In the fields provided, enter your email and order number or reference code related to your subscription. This information will help the support team identify your account and process your request faster. In the description box, write a clear message such as, "I want to cancel my subscription." Finally, tap on Submit Feedback to send your cancellation request. The Hellotalk support team will review your submission and assist you with canceling your subscription. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.